I don't know how to solve this problem. It's really hard to score over 90 on the exam. Let's look at the question. It asks us to fill in three fractions that are greater than 3/4 but less than 4/5. Many students still use common denominators when doing this type of problem, which takes a lot of time and it's easy to make mistakes. Today, we'll teach everyone a trick called the sugar-water method. From now on, whenever you encounter this kind of problem, you can solve it easily. So, what is the sugar-water method? Let's try to understand 3/4 and 4/5 in a different way. Let's start with 3/4. This 3/4 is like Director U. Today, I brought 3 portions of sugar. Then I added 1 portion of water to make a cup of sugar water. In this cup of sugar water, there are 4 parts in total, and 3 of those parts are sugar. So 3/4 represents its sweetness. What about 4/5? I brought 4 portions of sugar. Then I added 1 portion of water, so the sweetness of this cup of sugar water should be out of 5 parts. The 4 portions of sugar in the sugar water represent 4/5. The problem tells us that 4/5 is greater than 3/4, which means this cup of sugar water is sweeter than this one. Now, when we're asked to fill in a fraction between the two, isn't it like making a new cup of sugar water that's sweeter than this one, but a bit less sweet than that one? From everyday experience, we know that if we pour the 2 cups of sugar water together, the sweetness will be somewhere in between. So for this problem, let's combine the 2 cups of sugar water. 4 parts of sugar water plus 5 parts of sugar water, the denominators added together should be 9, and 3 parts of sugar plus 4 parts of sugar. Adding the numerators gives us 7 parts of sugar. So 7/9 is the result of adding the numerators and denominators of 3/4 and 4/5, and it falls between them. Actually, doing it this way is not just for speed, but also because we'll encounter more fractions like this. With this method, you can directly fill in, for example, the next one between 7/9 and 4/5. Can you also use the sugar water method? That would be adding the denominators. 5 plus 9 equals 14. Adding the numerators, 7 plus 4 equals 11. What about the next one? Add the denominators. 14 plus 5 equals 19. Add the numerators. 11 plus 4 equals 15. In this way, we can fill in all the fractions. I suggest you give a little red heart after watching, save it, and watch it a few more times. Otherwise, if you want to use such a useful method again, you might not be able to find it.